Easily add posts to any page, whether it is a post page or any other static page. Bring in a new blog, create your own. You can add columns, scroll to the bottom, and under blog you will find title as well as posts. Select and drag, and this will populate with the amount of posts that you have. In this case, we only have 2 posts, so you see they appear here with their featured images. To work with it, go to the options, and you will see that you can select the columns, how many rows, as well as the spacing between them. You are not limited to the default setting that comes in here. You can click on the image, change it out, and notice that as you change it for one, it also changes for the rest. The same dynamic elements are available here. Let's bring in another text element. Select it. And from the server icon, we put it on publish date. Let's put that in the middle. And with the read more, link it to your post URL. Other settings, very important under filter, is that you can select the source and set which to include, exclude, as well as the offset. You have order direction here, and then under settings, the normal padding and margins.